These days I get this question very often. What should I do when I get laid off from my company? Experiencing a layoff can be challenging, but here are some steps to navigate through it. Take a breath. Allow yourself to process the news and manage your emotions. Understand your rights. Know what benefits you are entitled to and any severance packages. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Start preparing for your next job search. Network. Reach out to former colleagues, friends, and industry contacts for support and potential job leads. Explore your options. Consider freelancing, consulting, or exploring new career paths. Take care of yourself. Maintain a healthy routine, stay connected with loved ones, and seek support if needed. Keep learning. Use this time to develop new skills or enhance existing ones that could make you more marketable. Stay positive. Remember that a layoff doesn't define your worth or your abilities. Opportunities will come your way. But sometimes, or should I say most times, getting angry at your manager might feel like a natural reaction. And it's generally not the most constructive way to handle the situation. Expressing anger could potentially damage your professional relationship and burn bridges, which may impact future references or opportunities within the industry. Instead, consider these alternatives. Seek clarification. If you're unsure about the reasons behind the layoff, calmly ask your manager for clarification. Express concerns professionally. If you have concerns about the process or feel that you were unfairly targeted, address them in a professional manner. Focus on solutions. Redirect your energy toward finding solutions for your future rather than dwelling on the past. Use this as an opportunity for personal and professional growth. Maintain professionalism. Regardless of how you feel, maintain a professional demeanor throughout the process. This will reflect positively on you in the long run. Remember, maintaining composure and professionalism will serve you better in the long term.